Hello ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this video. A very warm welcome to another video of mine. Well, today I'm gonna talk about the Virgo moon sign, Virgo ascendant people. I'm gonna tell you all how your month of August 2021 would be. At the starting of the month, you would be seeing Ketu in your third house. In your fifth house, you would be seeing Saturn. In your sixth house, there will be Jupiter. In your eighth house, there will be Moon. And in your ninth house, there will be Rahu. In your 11th house, there will be Sun and Mercury. And in your 12th house, there will be a Mars Venus conjunction. The planets Saturn and Jupiter will be retrograde at this particular moment. This is the planetary position you will be witnessing at the starting of August 2021. Well, Virgo moon sign, Virgo ascendant people, I want to tell you all something today. I want to tell you all that when you all enter the month of August 2021, you need to start taking risks in your life. You have been in your comfort zone for far too long. So, during this time, you need to start taking risks. If you are not willing to risk, you can't grow in your life. If you can't grow in your life, you can't become your best. And if you can't become your best, you can't be happy. And if you can't be happy, then what else is there? So, during this month of August 2021, make a conscious, deliberate and a determined effort to take risks in your life. You have been avoiding taking risks, and this is the reason that you are not able to move forward in your life. For example, you are not willing to invest in your business. You are not willing to apply for new jobs because you are thinking that you might not find success in getting that job. You are not willing to tell your near and dear ones how you feel for them because you fear getting rejected by them. You are not willing to place a bet on yourself. My request to y'all would be, take a bet on yourself because you are a gold mine. You are the money. So place a bet on yourself and then you will see your life moving forward. You will see success and progress in your life. The reason for you not progressing in your life, that you are not willing to take a chance on your life, on yourself. Hence, you are not progressing in your life. Take that chance in the month of August 2021. And let me reassure you all that the planetary positions are gonna favor you. All the planets are gonna favor you in the month of August 2021 if you take a chance on yourself, if you bet on yourself, if you believe in yourself. Your belief in yourself at this point in time is very important. You need to believe that you can make it in this thing called life. You need to believe that you can do it in this life. You have to believe that you are the best. Even if your near or dear ones, your loved ones, the world is telling you that you are not capable. Still, I'd recommend you all to move forward with your life. Act on your ideas and plans at this particular moment. And if you act on your ideas and plans in the month of August 2021, then I am certain that you will see success and prosperity in the future. The things you have been procrastinating about, you have been dilly-dallying, is dragging you down in your life. It is pulling you down in your life. So you need to take those decisions instantly in the month of August 2021. You may feel the fear at this moment, but you need to feel that fear and do it anyhow. I mean, you have to show courage in the month of August 2021. Courage is not the absence of fear. It is your willingness to act in spite of your fears. So, face your fears and do those things anyhow. Whatever stress you have to undertake, take those stress and move forward with your life. Take those important decisions, make those investments, become proactive with your life at this particular moment. This is all I wanted to tell you all for the month of August 2021. Virgo moon sign, Virgo ascendant people. Let me now start predicting about you all for the month of August 2021. Let me first start predicting about people who are doing a job or are finding a job for themselves. Well, for people who are doing a job, let me tell you all that this month is gonna be an okay sort of month for y'all. Neither too good, neither too bad. Things are gonna move normally during this time for y'all. All I want to tell y'all is that you need to keep on working hard on your job during the month of August 2021. The only suggestion I wanna give y'all is that you need to be calm during this time. Don't get into any sort of arguments or debates with your peers and colleagues at this moment. In other words, mind your own business at your workplace. Well, for people who are trying to find a job for themselves, let me tell you all that this month is gonna be a very lucky month for y'all. Y'all are gonna see some success in you finding a job for yourself. There can be some opportunities during the month of August 2021. And if you get that job, that opportunity for yourself, my suggestion to y'all would be just join that company, that organization. However low the salary might be, just take that plunge and join that company. Even if your salary package is very low, my suggestion to y'all would be just join that company, because later on I see a spike in your salary package. And most importantly, you need to start working in your life once again. Well, for business people, this is gonna be a fantabulous month for y'all. Y'all are gonna see your business increasing substantially in the month of August 2021. Y'all are gonna see a lot of money in your business during this time. Many new customers are gonna get added to your existing list of customers at this particular moment. Well, this is an ideal time for y'all to earn money in your business. I mean, in the month of August 2021. Please do not make any sort of fresh investments in your business during this time. All you need to do is to focus on your current business at this point in time. The only problem which I see for y'all is that you might face some oppositions or enmity from your staff. I mean your employees. They might try to tarnish your image. They might try to spoil your reputation in front of your customers at this particular moment. So be careful about them. Well, on the health front, this is gonna be a superb time for y'all. All your past diseases, all your past illnesses are gonna come to an end during the month of August 2021. You know, if you were suffering from any sort of disease, any sort of illness, that would vanish in the month of August 2021. You would find a medicine which is gonna cure you in the month of August 2021. Well, for those people who are suffering from a chronic disease and are suffering some complications from that chronic disease, I want to tell you all that complications would also come to a halt during this time. However, the parts of the body, the organs of the body which you need to take care of is your eyes, your spine, your bones, your liver and your digestive system. If you face any sort of problems regarding these parts, these organs of the body, then you need to give special attention to it. Well, for people who are in a romantic relationship, this month is gonna be a fantastic month for y'all. You and your love partner's relationship is gonna get stronger and deeper during this time. All your past fights and debates are gonna come to a complete halt during the month of August 2021. Y'all are gonna support each other in whatever y'all do during the month of August 2021. Y'all are gonna support each other mentally, emotionally, physically, and I wouldn't be surprised that y'all support each other financially as well. Some of you Virgo moon sign, Virgo ascendant people may propose to their love partner during this month. But my suggestion to y'all would be, don't go ahead with your marriage plans during the month of August 2021. Well, for students, this month is gonna be a very stressful month for y'all. you are gonna face some concentration problems, some focus problems on your studies. I mean, you wouldn't be able to focus or concentrate on your studies during the month of August 2021. You'd be busy doing other things apart from your studies. But my suggestion to y'all would be, don't lose your focus, your concentration on your studies, because if you do so, you are gonna suffer in your education, and it will become very difficult for you later on to progress with your studies. The reason for your defocus, your distraction would be the opposite sex at this particular moment. Try not to indulge yourself with the opposite sex at this point in time, because if you indulge with the opposite sex, you might not be able to recover in your studies later on. So this is a small warning from my end to y'all. Well, for married people, this month is gonna be a fantabulous month for y'all. Let me tell y'all categorically that all your past differences, all your past fights, all your past problems are gonna come to an end during the month of August 2021. You and your spouse are gonna become the best of friends at this particular moment. You and your spouse are gonna go out of your way to support each other, to show your love for each other. Things are gonna be on the brighter side in the month of August 2021 for y'all. The only problem I see for y'all is that some of your near or dear ones, your friends, your loved ones might try to create a misunderstanding between y'all. So ignore such people if you find any in your life. Well, for people who are in the stock market, this is gonna be a tremendous time for y'all. Y'all are gonna earn a lot of money in the stock market during this time. The investments you had made in the stock market earlier will be fetching you a lot of profit. And my suggestion to y'all would be that if you see any sort of profits in the stock market, then you must take some profits. You must take some money from the table. Don't make the mistake of not booking some profits for yourself in the month of August 2021. Well, for those people who are trying to make a fresh investments in the stock market or mutual funds, my suggestion to y'all would be, don't do it in one go. Do it in several tranches. And for those people who are gambling in the stock market or somewhere else, my suggestion to y'all would be, please do not do so. Well, for people who are in debt, let me tell y'all that this month is not gonna be a very good month for y'all. Y'all are gonna find very hard to pay your installments, your EMIs on time during the month of August 2021. And you not paying that EMI, that installment might lead you to some problems with your creditors during the month of August 2021. You might face a legal notice or some threats from your creditors during the month of August 2021. My suggestion to y'all would be, if you get any money from somewhere, you must pay your EMIs and installments on time of that loan so that you can avert those problems from your creditors. Well, those who are wanting a fresh loan, let me tell you all, please do not take that loan in the month of August 2021. Well, Virgo moon sign, Virgo ascendant people, here is something else for y'all. I want to tell you all that I make a very special prayer box and an amulet for all you Virgo moon sign, Virgo ascendant people. Well, if you have been facing any sort of problems, any sort of difficulties, any sort of sorrows, miseries, worries, any sort of predicaments and ordeals, any sort of hurdles, barriers, obstacles in your life, and you think you have tried hard enough to overcome these problems and difficulties without any success, then my suggestion to y'all would be that you can install this prayer box in your house, or you can wear this particular amulet. Well, when you install this prayer box or wear this particular amulet, these remedies are gonna help you to earn money in your life. It is gonna show you success and prosperity in your life. It is gonna make you experience richness in your life. It is gonna make you very positive in your life. It is gonna make you experience peace, tranquility, and calmness in your life. And if for some reason life has knocked you down, then this particular prayer box or amulet will help you to rise up once again in your life, and it will propel you to run towards that thing called success, which we all want. Well, these are godly remedies, these are religious remedies, and these particular remedies can be installed or worn by any person of any religion, because I believe that there is only one God in this universe. I'm talking about that God who has created this universe, who has invented this universe and all the things in it, including us. Well, if there were different gods who had created this universe, who had invented this universe, then the color of the human blood would be different in different human beings. But that is not the case. The color of the blood is red in all the human beings of this planet Earth. Hence, you will understand that there is only one creator of this universe, one inventor of this universe, and that is the Almighty God. Well, the name of that God may be different. We may call that God by different names. That doesn't matter. But basically, we are all worshipping that one God, that same God. Hence, I can confidently tell you all that this particular prayer box, this particular amulet can be installed or worn by any person of any religion. Well, this pretty much completes my predictions for Virgo moon sign, Virgo ascendant people for the month of August 2021. If you are interested in some specific predictions about yourself, then you can contact me directly. Well, like I always say, that if you wish to know your future through astrology and you are determined to live the best possible version of yourself, well, one must always try to live his or her best version of themselves, because there is only one life to live. There are no duplicates of a life. You will not get a chance to live this beautiful life once again. And besides that, if you want to enhance your luck, if you want to earn more money in your life, if you want to experience success and prosperity in your life, if you want to experience richness in your life, if you wish to be called a positive person in your life, if you want to experience peace, tranquility, and calmness in your life, which is most important for human beings, and you are hell-bent on taking your life from the ridiculous to the sublime, from the low point to the high point, from nothing to something, then you can contact me over WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number has been given on this video. Have a great day and a great month of August 2021. God bless you all. जय माता दी, जय मां काली।